This is a rotating shaft with a layer of oil and paint on the surface.
The cleaning test now uses 300 West and 500W pulse cleaners.
When cleaning with a 500-watt pulse cleaning machine, the laser is very soft, but when cleaning with a 300-watt pulse cleaning machine, the laser is relatively strong. This is the difference between 15 megajoules and 50 megajoules. Finally, compare the cleaning effects. The 500-watt pulse cleaning effect is better. The surface of the material after cleaning is very clean and smooth, and there is no major damage to the surface of the material. There are some marks on the surface of the material after cleaning at 300 watts, and the effect is not so good.